Hello everybody, welcome to Dackman Productions and welcome to the Great Scale Train Show here in Timonium, Maryland. I'm here on Friday. I know what you guys are thinking, why are you there on Friday? Well, the show owners decided to make me the official videographer and they wanted a behind the scenes video shoot, so that's what we're here to do today. So let's go. Okay, we are behind the scenes. The Great Scale Train Show, Timonium, Maryland. It's early morning, Friday, 10 a.m. And people are already setting up. You guys get to see behind the scenes of what it takes to do a show like this. The vendors, the clubs, they put in a lot of hard work to do all of this. Continuing on, see everybody working hard, moving tables around. I believe this is the S Gauge Club. Yes, S Gauge Club. Getting ready to set up for the day. So you guys get to see what it takes to set up this layout. That's normally always here.
Anybody that races knows that. But this is a alternate. Here, put these two those ways. Come in from the inside.
Alright, for those who are not familiar with the Great Scale Train Show, behind me is the door that you're going to come through. You have a hall that goes to the left. You have the center section here. And then you have another section over there. So you got three big sections to this place. I can tell you to the left, HON, couple great layouts. More HONS. Then over here you're going to have a whole bunch of layouts and more stuff. O gauge is usually over here for sale. Lots of great stuff. Okay, over in this section is where you're going to find most of your layouts, some wonderful layouts. So trying to get them setting up as well during the day. Try and stay out of everybody's way here. Hi.
Did I sign a contract for that? I'm looking for some royalties.
Right, aren't we all?
But I'll be alright, it's free today. I feel generous.
Okay. How you doing?
Was that my best face?
How you doing today?
Great.
That's cool.
Have a good show.
All right, you too. There's Jim, hard at work.
How you doing, buddy?
How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah, I've been here all week, so I've been barnstorming around the different hobby stores,
Oh, really?
making some deals. And
There you go. So, we'll have to get you on video since you're already here. I
we
thought,
can probably do that.
yeah. So you
The
you're ready?
setup is about 5 hours, 5.5.
Is that what it takes you to do this?
Yeah, and
Because a lot of people don't realize what kind of hard work that you guys put into doing this, just so they can come and buy some trains from you.
well, not only that, it's the cost of the tables, it's
Oh.
the cost of the hotel, it's the cost of the fuel, so it all adds up.
All adds up, right?
And so, you try to be reasonable with your pricing, but you have to recover some of that cost.
Yeah, it all makes sense.
That's
yeah.
true. Yeah.
Yeah. So it not only is you got your time invested, but you got money invested
That's correct.
into just setting up.
Well, and trains are not cheaper anymore.
No.
If you look at the Lionel catalog, there's more $199 boxcars than I've ever seen in my lifetime. Plus, a lot of the estates nowadays are trying to get more money for the trains, so you're not able to buy the collections as cheap as you used to be able to.
Oh.
And if you can, the collection's probably not in very good shape.
Right.
So I always joke with all of my dealer friends and say I'm the Neiman Marcus of trains because I get really good collections.
Oh, that's so cool. Well, I won't hold you up. I know you're busy. Thank you for spending at least the 2 minutes, but we'll definitely do something.
Let's do.
Tomorrow.
I like your idea. Yeah,
Yep.
I will.
Okay.
You can interview me or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, I would love to. Yeah.
Good.
And
Give
I'm
me
working.
some warning.
Yeah, and this time around, the Great Scale Train Show had actually brought me aboard as their official videographer, so I'm actually working for them this weekend.
That's great.
Yeah.
You're on their nickel and not mine. I like that. Sure, good to see you.
It's good to see you
All
too.
right, have fun this morning.
All right, thank you.
All right.
So we had the DC area high railers setting up. Where's the laser level?
Say they let anybody in here, don't they? How you doing, sir?
Good. How you guys doing today?
Good things can happen here.
Yeah. Good, good. You guys were over here this time, huh?
Yeah,
It's the third location we've been at.
we're a man down also.
Uh-oh.
We have a shorter load.
Oh.
Brake's not feeling well.
Hey, this one's not working. I'm not forcing.
How long does it take you guys to set this up?
Sorry?
Hour and a half.
Oh, really? That quick?
It could be 2 to 3 hours depending on how complicated.
2 to 3 hours?
We still got to put the, plexiglass up. With the,
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have a train running.
It's getting started. It's about 2 to 3 hours.
Just trying to rush through it so you can have a train running. What's that?
He's fast at everything.
Oh, he's fast at everything, huh? Uh-oh. I better not
Please
ask
don't leave
him.
that on the video.
I don't lie.
Hey, the video is being made for entertainment purposes, and that
Without a
was
doubt.
kind of entertaining, so it may accidentally be left in there.
Thank you. That's the conversation we just had. That's what this is all about. Fun.
Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, you're exactly right. That's what these shows are for, to have fun, meet people, buy some more trains.
Not here to get rich.
Shut up.
Here to have.
She's like,
That guy's got a whole bunch of ODs.
he's not allowed to have any more trains.
Well, he's gonna run out of room soon.
I just bought an 844 the other day.
Oh, you did buy it?
And then I bought a set of E8s from your Bob's Trains.
Bob's trains for you?
Yeah, they're nice. They're really nice.
Yeah, when he gets stuff in his store to sell, they're usually pretty pristine condition. Yeah. He goes through them. He makes sure that the batteries are good and stuff like that. And
We went up to the new place up in Thermont. The other place we went.
Yeah, Marie got a. In fact, there's the E units right there.
oh, okay.
Marie got a Halloween tree.
We got a demo.
Brand new store. In fact, they weren't even open yet. It was kind of a soft opening.
Okay.
And we went in there and we're like, you know what? Let's help them out. She just bought an engine, cars, caboose. He was happy.
All right, all the pens are in, Jeff.
And I enjoy helping brick and mortar places. That's where you can go hang out and talk. You know?
Oh
You
yeah,
can't hang
yeah.
out online.
No, that's for sure. That's a good point.
You can.
That is a good point. Like Jeff says, support your brick and mortar stores.
Mail order has its place for things that you can't find, but you still have to support those brick and mortar places.
Slightly.
Yeah.
We got a pin that buried in. Can you get this one? Carry it. How was your drive down?
Not bad.
highlights out to the town.
We have the beach, then the town, then Circus T.
Yeah, I'm good.
A lot of places around her did. And that tree that came down on their car? Yeah. Not a scratch on the car.
Really? I was worried about it. But like Jeeps here, they're pretty. That's good.
We're the youngest that need to be doing this.